Hello, dear students. We have read about the poem Why. Okay, and today we will discuss about. I have shared a worksheet with you all, and today we will discuss about the worksheet which I have shared with you all. And first question: write the answer of the following questions. Name of few things that float. इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर मैंने नहीं लिखा बिकॉज आई थिंक दैट यू शुड डू योर सेल्फ द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन बिकॉज इफ यू ऑब्जर्व योर डेली life routine or daily activities of your life then you easily find out the answer of this question. Second question है हमारा what does he ask about flowers. In this poem the small little child ask about the flowers. What does he ask about the flower? And answer होगा आपका he asks why do flowers die. Why do flowers die. फ्लावर्स जो होते हैं वो डाई क्यों हो जाते हैं, मुरझा क्यों हो जाते हैं, इस बात को उसने पूछा. नेक्स्ट आपका what sort of boy is described in the poem. किस प्रकार के बॉयज की जो बात की गई है पोएम में. तो आंसर आपका द लिटिल बॉय इज क्यूरियस. ही इज वेरी क्यूरियस बॉय. ही इज आस्किंग many questions, putting why this is happening, why that is happening, why sunrise is from the east, why is raining, how clouds formed, like that he asked so many questions. Why do we eat and drink. This question I have put for your observation or your skill, to observe your skill. And answer I have write a very simple answer for you. Food gives us energy to our body and water also essential for our body like food. जो है फूड जो होता है वो हमें एनर्जी देता है, बॉडी को वाटर भी इतना ही जरूरी है जितना फूड है, बिकॉज द डाइजेशन सिस्टम जो आपका डाइजेस्ट करता है फूड को उसके लिए वाटर नेसेसरी है. एंड मैनी ऑफ द एक्टिविटीज विच टेकन पार्ट इन आवर बॉडी with the help of water. Okay, next आपका read the following stanza and answer the following questions. Stanza ये poem से ही लिया हम लोगों ने. I know a curious little boy who is always asking why this, why that, why then, why now, why not, why by the by. What type of child What type of child does poet know? The poet knows a little curious boy. उसके बाद अगर बात करते हैं लिटिल क्यूरियस बॉय को जानता है. What does he always ask? जो बॉयज है वो लिटिल बॉय है वो क्या आस्क करता है. He always ask curious question. Few example of his curiosity क्या है. Why does wood swim? वो पूछता है कि ना लकड़ी क्यों तैरती है. Why wood swim? Why does wood swim? Why do lead and marble sink? Marble और sink क्यों डूब जाते हैं. Why do we eat and drink. Like that he asks so many questions which shows the curiosity of a boy. Write the opposite words of the following words from the stanza. This means ये है that. This का opposite क्या होगा. That. THAT that. Then तब now अब. Then का now and OW now. Next rhyming words, you have to write rhyming words. Why, by, sky, by, reply. These all are rhyming word related to why. No, snow, row, elbow. Found. Found का क्या आएगा आपका. Sound around ground. Sink. Drink pink ink. Blow, flow, glow, crow. You have to correct the spelling of the following words. स्पेलिंग को आपको लोगों को करेक्ट करना है. तो NIS की अगर इसको अच्छे से लिखोगे तो सिंक होगा SIN की. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट है ड्रिंक होगा, फिर साइन होगा, क्यूरियस होगा और हिल्स. All these spellings come into your poem. You have read these spelling in your poem है ना. राइट डाउन एटलीस्ट 5 क्वेश्चन यूजिंग वाई। इसका आंसर भी मैंने आप लोगों को नहीं दिया है, बिकॉज यू शुड डू योर सेल्फ आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन एंड शेयर विद मी इन योर व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप। State whether the following statements are true or false. Okay, the poet knows a curious little boy. Yes. पोएम में जो curious little boy है उसको poet जानता है. Yes. Second, the poet wanted to know why we swim. No. Poet does not want to know about why we swim. The little curious boy wants to know why we swim. So this is false. Next है the wanted to know why we eat and drink. The boy, sorry यहाँ पे boy आएगा. The boy wanted to know why we eat and drink. True. The boy was nutty. No, he was curious boy. False है ये. Next है the boy wanted to know why wood floats. True. Stone sink in water. True. Dry leaf floats on water. True. Make your own sentence using these words. I have given these few words to you and you have to frame some sentences using these words, and I have framed some question for you and you make some different, you maybe make some different sentence by using these words. The poet knows a curious little boy. Lead is a heavy substance. Forest give us wood. Sita can swim in pond. All heavy things sink in water. These all question I have framed for you. Okay, I hope all of you understand our worksheet.